Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn two different ways to remove the header in Word depending on the complexity of your document. So you can see here that I have a very simple document. It's just a few pages long, and there's a header here that I want to remove. Now, how do we do that? Well, this is quite simple and straightforward. First, we will need to double click on the header, and this could open the header and footer tools. And once the header and footer tools is active, all we need to do is to select the text and then hit delete, and the header is gone. Another method is to go to header and then select this option, remove header, and it's gone. So our problem is solved. Now let's go to our second example where things are more complicated. So I have a very similar looking document here, but there are a few types of a few different headers. So you can see here that there's one header for section 1, and then there's another different header for section 2, and then there's header 3 for section 3. Now, if we follow the usual method and then go to header and then select remove header, then we will only remove the header from the first section, whereas the header from subsequent sections are still intact. And then we would have to go to each section and then remove the header one by one. And if you are working on a really long document with hundreds and hundreds of pages and a lot of sections in between, then it would be really time-consuming and tedious. So let's learn a quick method to remove them all in one go. Now, there are different types of section because in Word, header and footer is only applied for a section, not for a page. So in order to remove all the headers in one go, we would first need to remove all the section breaks. And in order to do that, let's click on Ctrl H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. And then in the Find box, press caret B. Caret B stands for section break. And then in the Replace box, don't type anything, but make sure that you place your mouse cursor there. So basically, we are telling Word to find all the section breaks in the document and replace them with nothing. Or in other words, to remove all the section breaks. So replace all. Okay, and done. And now you can see here that now the first and the second header is gone and only the last section remains. That is because the first and the second section breaks is all gone. So there's only one type of section in the whole entire document. So our job becomes simple now. We will only need to do is to go to header and then go to remove header, and all the header is gone. And that's it. Happy learning and see you in the next video.